This is a brand new 2014 Porsche Cayman. This coupe has an automatic transmission and a 3.4-liter six-cylinder boxer engine. Features include high-intensity headlights, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, front side impact airbags, air conditioning, a rear window defroster, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.